Assalamualaikum friend, join my Telegram group, write Sheri SK official and join me. I will provide first link here and now here is app. Just go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $4.99 for lifetime. All password in this app. Join my Facebook page, write Sheri SK and join me or follow me. All videos are here. Okay, now here is PowerPoint big bundle and total pack is 22 all file for PowerPoint. Okay, here is travel adventure and here is a business presentation PowerPoint admission and many other. Here is white green creative green white green yellow agriculture. Main file is here PowerPoint and this folder is icon pack and here is our PPTX recommended and here is PPT main file. Okay, back. Okay, you need font. Here is your image. Click icon to add image. Okay, you can import your own image or your business image. Same thing here. All files are editable. You need font. Sheri SK free. Sorry, now not free because app is paid. Password app. Okay, so table of content, same thing here. So here is total 30 slides or templates. Next is here is admission main file, dark light, open dark. Wow, same thing here. Import your image, write anything, education our focus. Here is total slide is wall map 37 is total slide in this file. No, fashion PPTX. Here is 25 slides. You can edit or you can change everything. Here is business PPTX. No image. So I say again, then join my Facebook page. Here is app or password and Telegram channel for link. Okay, so you can download and use it. Take care, Allah Hafiz.